When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Stephanie, and today I will be doing another ThredUp unboxing. So lately I've been doing a couple of ThredUp unboxings. Usually I source from either Goodwill, like the stores, or the bins usually. But lately my weekends have kind of been busy. I've been going to a lot of Houston Astros games, and so I just don't have any other time to go to the bin, so I've been sourcing online with ThredUp. So the first box I got was decent. I had some Lululemon, I got some Gymshark. I've sold some of those things already, so I decided to I got 2 more boxes, and those boxes were not as great, but some good pieces that maybe I'm sure I can make my money back. Some of those pieces might go to Plato's Closet, and some of them are going to go to get donated to Goodwill. I was watching some YouTube videos to see like if everybody's been getting pretty much like okay boxes from ThredUp, and I had a lot of people say that the shoe boxes were really good, so I decided to order a shoe box. So I'm gonna jump in there and let's see what kind of shoes. So when it comes to shoes, I don't normally pick it up because I am not familiar with shoe brands or what shoes sell or how much they go for. I'm kind of like, I've been reselling now for maybe 2-ish years, but I'm still very uneducated when it comes to most stuff. Like, I love watching YouTube videos because I like to see what people are sourcing, what sold, what people stay away from. So I take it and I try to learn from it. So hopefully you guys can help me, tell me like if a certain brand is sucky or if it does really well, because I don't know. So let's just jump into this shoebox and let me know what you guys think of my box. Should I get it again? I don't know. We'll find out. So this box sent the polka dotted tissue paper because my last ones, they forgot. This box is from Arizona. So I've been getting a lot of boxes from Arizona. So let's see. Okay, so right off the bat, we have these BCBG Generation wedge. They are a size, these are a size 9. They're kind of like a nude. I don't know if this is in style. They do have some like scuffs. I mean, pretty much an okay shoe. I don't know if BCBG clothes doesn't do well, so I don't know about their shoes. Although the very, very first thing that I sold in my Poshmark closet were some BCBG heels that were from my closet, and they sold for really, really cheap because I didn't know how to price things. I was pricing like garage sale prices. So, okay, so next we got these like platform type of sandals. These are Charles by Charles David. I don't know about this brand. This reminds me of like the 2000s when we used to wear platform sandals. So I don't know if this will sell. I don't know about the brand. I don't know if this might be coming back into style. I don't know. Okay, so next we got these. I don't know about shoes, so I don't know what they would even be called. They look like I don't know, a heel. They are City by DKNY. I don't know if DKNY is popular. It used to be when I was a kid, but they're a size 9. Okay, so I got a trash shoe. This is from Cupid. This is wants to talk to me. What do you want to tell me? You hope this shoebox doesn't suck? Me too. It was really scuffed up. Well, it wasn't really scuffed up. I don't know if these would sell for very much. The heel was like a higher platform, but I'm not even going to try to fix that because I don't really think that Cupid shoe would sell for very much anyway. So This is just gonna go in the trash. Okay, so now I got these like little ankle booties. These are Diba, D-I-B-A. Have you guys heard of that brand? They are a size 9. I've been getting a lot of size 9s. They're a navy leather upper. Do you guys know about the brand Diba? Diba? So they layer it. They'll put like 5 shoes and then they'll layer another 5. This is 15. I didn't say it, but they're 15. Got some glittery Betsy Johnson. These are a 6.5. They do kind of look like dirty, but these are in fair condition. I got some little ballet flats with the ankle strap. These are Dolce Vita. These are a size, it looks like maybe they're an 8.5. Like the stuff is really worn back here, so you can't really tell. I don't know if this would resell for very much. Probably not. I don't think anything that I've gotten would resell for high. Maybe I can get my money back. I got some 9 West, like little small pumps, heels. It says leather upper. These are an 8.5. Great for if you want to go to work, maybe church. Next, we got some of these little short booties. What do you call these? Kind of like they go up to the calf. These are from Rockport. What do we know about that? The inside is kind of trashy. These are a size 8.5. The outside doesn't look trashy at all though. So what do we do about this? See, the outside looks actually to be in really great condition, except for maybe some scuffs here and there. But the outside doesn't look as tore up as the inside. The inside looks horrendous. Got some more little ankle booties. These are Vince Camuto. These are actually really cute. Actually, want to keep these for me. What size are you? They have this like cute little detail here. Oh man. These are a size 8. They have like that little distressed look, but it's kind of throughout. Like, if, I don't think it would be. You can see where they may be scuffed here and there, but these are in really great condition. Vince Camuto. Leather upper. They're cute. So far, what do we think about this box? Some of it's like trash and some of it's decent. I just need a great pair. Okay, so here we have some Polo Ralph Lauren. These you could tell we got at like Marshall's or Ross. These are a size 8. They do need like some cleaning here and there. They're like a baby blue, but the white looks dirty. How do you guys clean shoes? Drop your suggestions on how you would clean shoes in the comments. Help a girl out. How would you clean this little canvasy part? Okay, now we got some Nikes. These are some colorful, cute actually Nikes with some, you have the logo on top of the logo. And you have the little running people over here. They're running to go to the bins with me. These are a size 8. They were actually in really good condition. I don't see any tears or holes or like, check out the bottom. Like, did we even exercise in these? Probably not. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do Nike sell for you guys? I got these really cute sandals that I want to keep for me. It has a number back here. I don't see. Stuart, is it Weitzman? It says leather sole. So I saw a Stuart Weitzman earlier, and I have a pair. They're like old, vintagey. And I picked them up because I thought the name was like something that would sell. But is this a good brand? Guys, help me out. These are cute. I kind of really want to keep them for myself. Where is the size? They look like they would fit me. They're like in excellent condition. Except for like maybe some dirty areas, but like this looks super good. Do you guys know where it tells you the size? Is this number something? I even have this like wrap, this cute like wraps up the ankle. It has like this cute little like fringy look. And I got these. These are Coach. And they're super cute and like super great condition. You can tell these were somewhere because they were selling them for $60. And maybe they bought them and they didn't know how to wear them. I don't know. But they're cute. These are a size 8.5. Man, I would have wore these. But they're super great condition. They look new. The only thing wrong with them is they're squished. Last pair, I got these boots. They're like a kind of like a calf high boot. They look to be distressed. I don't know if this is the look they were going for or if they're like super worn, but they are, is it Fry? How do you say this? I've seen this brand on people's YouTube channel, so I think it's a good one. I'm not sure. These are a size 9. They're super cool and like super distressed looking. They're in pretty great, well, maybe they're a little used here, my heel, but what do you guys think? Is this a good shoe? Should I get another shoebox? I mean, I think this is a good brand. I have never sold anything. I don't even know if it's Fry. I'm just making that last E silent and pronouncing it Fry. Maybe it's, I don't know. But the Coach shoes were cute. I like these. I think they'll be okay. The Coach shoes were pretty good. That Stuart Weitzman, I don't know, I think that's what you say it. I mean, this shoebox, I paid $80. I think my shoebox was $80. I'm not sure. I got 15 pairs of shoes, and I think I'll make my money back. Comment down below if you know about these brands, if they do well for you, if they don't do well for you, if you should just tell me to donate them because it won't be worth my time. Let me know. I probably will get another one of these boxes, so stay tuned and let's see if I get anything else. I love hanging out with you guys. Thanks, and make sure y'all comment down below. Have a great day. We'll see y'all later. Bye.